Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made these clay floral earrings from a clay I made at home. I first begin by flattening some white clay and cutting off 2 circles. I then cut off 2 semicircles for the top part of the earrings. I cut the 2 circles in half. I then cut the shape of the petals using an X-Acto knife from blue clay. I place these petals on the back of my silicone mold and roll them with a ball tool. I then use an old credit card to make a pattern on each petal. I then stick the petals in the shape of a flower on the clay. I use an X-Acto knife to mark the center of each petal. I repeat the same for both earrings. For the smaller flowers, I cut them in triangles and repeat the above steps. In some places I make half flowers and in some places I make full flowers. I cut out small blue circles to make tiny flowers as well. I follow the above steps for these small flowers. I also roll out thin coils of clay to add more details to the earrings and then stick them onto place. For the leaf pattern, I again use a tiny circle cutter and stick them around the coils. I finally glaze all the parts after they are dry and assemble them using jump rings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more such content.